Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix can't play video on Telegram. So let's get into it. Number 1. Restart your device. While this solution might look simple, it is very effective in solving most minor issues on any application. If your videos are not playing on Telegram, try restarting your device to reload its resources. Number 2. Check your internet connection. Poor internet connectivity can cause issues with playing videos on Telegram. Make sure you have a strong and stable internet connection before attempting to play a video. Number 3. Update the Telegram app. The most frequent problem that can prevent videos from playing on Telegram is an outdated app version. Make sure the most recent version of the Telegram app is installed. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.